I am here with Touchboards, and today I want to go over the TapIt unit, which is the touch accessible platform for interactive technology. The TapIt is the first unit that is designed to provide accessibility to all students. Okay? It actually has a 42-inch touch monitor. Okay? It's ADA compliant. Okay? So since it's a monitor, there's no glare, there's no hot spots. Okay? As I said, it's 42 inches, so you have touch. It'll run on any software. You can hook up a desktop to it. You can hook up your laptop to it. Just an example here is if you had any software, this just happens to be RM Easy Teach software. So the students can come up and they can just click and drag. Okay? You use your finger. You can also use a stylus and move things around. Okay? One of the nice features it has is intended touch. So that means if you have a student that's leaning on it, okay, it will still be able to be used and moved even though they're leaning on the glass. Right. Everything about it has been designed for the students, from the texture, which has a pebbles texture, to the color. The purple color is supposed to be both soothing and engaging at the same time. One of the key features of the TapIt unit is the way that you can set it for the accessibility. So this unit will actually go down to 6 inches or come back up, and the screen will scroll from 0 degrees to 9 degrees. So what I'm going to do now, there's 4 buttons on the side. The first button will lower it. And as you can see, whether you were in a preschool or you had younger students as young as 3, 4 years old, okay, would be able to work on it. If you had students that were in a wheelchair, you could actually angle this. So they now have access to it again. And again, they can wheel under, they can touch, and they can still, with the intended touch, be able to use it. And as your students, you can move it up. We're going to angle the glass back down again. The TapIt unit is actually set on 4 lockable casters, so it can be wheeled around. Just as simple as lowering the unit all the way to the bottom, unlocking the casters. You can actually see how it spins. What I'm going to do now is spin it around. You can actually see the shelf back here that will hold your laptop. There's also a space down here if you just want to lock in a desktop, a tower. So you have that. So again, you can just wheel the unit, lower it, unlock the casters, and wheel it around. The whole unit itself weighs about 245 pounds. Wheel to whatever room you want to get to, and then you can lock it again. The TapIt unit also has speakers that are actually built into the back so that they are out of the way. You can actually see them here. Okay? It also has the connectivity on the bottom. So here you have VGA, DVI, HDMI. These are your composite, these are your speaker wires, and this is your power cord. Okay? So no matter what system you may be using, you can actually connect to this unit. Hitachi Starboard. Again, the students can use a stylus. They can use their finger, and it's going to recognize it. Okay? This is an example of an interactive website, okay, where students can actually take and drag the states up. And again, they can use either stylus or their finger.